Hello guys, how are you doing today? YouTube Video Ideas for Beginners, Episode 2. This is basically the second part of profitable YouTube channel ideas. In the previous part, we discussed about makeup, gaming, food, yoga, fitness, unboxing products, tech reviews, travel, fashion, and sports. Now, in this episode, we are going to discuss a few other YouTube video ideas for beginners. They are listed and described below. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, then be sure to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that every time we upload a new video, you instantly get notified. Digital marketing. Many people nowadays are interested in YouTube marketing, affiliate marketing, network marketing, CPM marketing, etc. All these are examples of digital marketing. If you think you are good at any particular type of marketing, then go ahead and teach people broadly on that through a series of YouTube videos published on your channel. Animals. You must have noticed that TV channels like Animal Planet, Nat Geo, and History are very popular among people of all ages and classes. Based on this, many YouTubers are lately recording and publishing videos on animals. A few days ago, I found a YouTube channel where the YouTuber was chasing crocodiles and other reptiles. Now, his channel was no less popular than the TV show Croc Chronicles run by Dr. Brad or something like that. Honestly, I forgot his name. Humor. There are YouTube channels out there which are based on prank. Although lately a few countries, including Bangladesh, have banned prank videos to be made publicly, especially associating common people, still these videos are unimaginably popular among young viewers. So if you are good at humor, then you can give it a try by creating prank videos or other humor videos like telling jokes. I have seen YouTubers make a group, sit on couch together and take each other's interviews in a really hilarious manner. This sort of footage pulls young people like magnet, hence YouTube videos like this are likely to get higher average watch time, which is the key to success in YouTubing. Lifestyle. Nowadays, people are extremely conscious about their lifestyle. Everyone is willing to lead a healthy, comfortable, and happy life. So, if you are going to create lifestyle videos, chances are you are going to acquire a huge fan base as well. In that case, you have to be knowledgeable about latest trends, hairstyle, and dress code. If you can prove yourself good at that, many people may choose to follow you on YouTube on their own. There's another advantage of that niche. When your channel will be big enough, brands will be chasing you to feature their particular products and services. They, they will be offering you free products, t-shirts, trousers, shirts, sneakers, etc. every now and then. Photography. Photography can prove to be one of great YouTube video ideas is suitable for those who have taken it as their hobby. So while you photograph scenery from around your neighborhood or special places like jungle or woods, you can share your work with your audience through YouTube videos. You can even train people how to photograph properly. What are the techniques and the secrets? People would like to learn those and your channel might grow like a boom. Then again, you should choose photography as your channel's niche if and only if you find a lot of interest in it and also already have learned enough about it. It's not like that you are going to learn photography from scratch and then share you recently acquired knowledge with common people. It's no use trying that way. Movie. If you are a movie lover, then you can choose it as the niche of your YouTube channel. You can prepare top 10 actors, top 10 films, and top 10 directors video. You will find a lot of topics to cover while creating top 10 videos. Then again, you can even create review videos how a particular film was, where you found some defects and or where they could have improved, etc. Not only that, but you can also use Creative Commons clips to compile and create new ones. For example, I have seen people to create funny dub mesh of movie clips. Some even dub the clips in their own languages and released them on YouTube. So you see that if you are interested in movie clips, ideas are not a problem. How to? You can create YouTube videos based on how to do a certain thing, like how to check your own phone number, how to make cake, or even how to tie a tie. How-to videos can range from technical to many non-technical sub-niches. It all depends on what you are good at. So before choosing how-to as the niche of your channel, you have to look within yourself and ask what sort of how-to videos you are going to create. This has to be a long-term plan because switching to another niche in the midst of your YouTubing activities may not be a good idea. Nutrition. Nutrition is must for everyone, so people around the globe are looking for nutritious foods at comparatively lower cost. The point is, if you are a nutrition specialist, then you may base your YouTube channel on it. Nutrition channels differ from food channels in that in food channels, the YouTuber mainly displays how to prepare delicious and attractive dishes. But as a nutrition YouTuber, your primary purpose is to present to people which foods are rich in nutrition. You also need to specify which group or age of people need which particular variety of nutrition. In addition, you have to point out what sort of food a patient needs to take more after recovering from a certain medical condition. Software, one of the greatest YouTube video ideas. Software-based channels are a special type of tech reviews channels, but they differ to some extent in that these channels talk about only software. They talk about graphics design and video editing software like Adobe Premiere and Photoshop. They also talk about programming languages like C, C++, Visual Basic, etc. As a software YouTuber, you may hint out the specifications of a newly released software or its latest version, even an operating system like Windows 10. If you are a computer science and or engineering or an IT graduate or a diploma holder, then software might be a good niche for your YouTube channel. For example, the New Boston is one of my favorite YouTube channels, and the YouTuber teaches common people like you and me how to program in different programming languages and also how to do things like web design. He has found immense success on his channel and blog. So if you consider yourself a techie guy, you can try this particular type of niche for your channel. Music as one of YouTube video ideas, aka niches, is a lot like movies. If you are a constant fan of music, then you can give it a try. That means you can create a channel based on music reviews. No matter what sort of music you prefer, will always find a strong fan base of that. You can even feature music from multiple genres, languages, and nations. So you see, nothing is forbidden when it comes to music. You can also create cover songs if you are good at singing, or you have friends who can sing and will allow you to shoot them while they do that. Then again, maybe you are good at music composition and lyrics writing, then compose. In that case, compose your own music and sing it or have it sung by another individual or a group of people. You can make them partners on your YouTube channel. This sort of formation or grouping can prove to be good for not only you but your associates also. Hair care. Hair is probably the most important part of a person's looks. In modern days, many people have been losing their hair because of malnutrition and even hypertension. So it is the urge of current days that everyone must take good care of their hair or they might end up being bald. Now, if you are a hairstylist and know how to properly groom your hair, then you can teach people how to do that. Then again, maybe you are a hairdresser yourself. In that case, you should definitely create a YouTube channel based on latest hairstyles and how to do hairdo. So that's all guys for today. If you like this video, then give us a thumbs up, and also be sure to share this video among your friends and associates if you think it might contain useful information for them or might entertain them in any way. So until the next time, best of luck.